Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm going to bring you along as I cook some Brussels sprouts and bacon on my Blackstone Griddle. I had planned to do this a couple of weeks ago when I was going to make this meal, but it was a beautiful day like it is today. It's the 2nd of December and it's like 75 degrees outside. But a big old thunderstorm came up. But what I'm doing is I'm just taking my Brussels sprouts, cutting the end off, and just slicing them kind of thin. And then I'm going to wash them and let them soak in some cold water until I meet you out at the griddle. Alright, now I just have a half of a pound of bacon. I just took the bacon out, cut it in half. And I'm just going to cut it in little pieces. And then I'll meet you out at the griddle. Okay, I have my griddle heated up. It's on high. I may turn it down just a little bit, but I'm going to start my bacon. Now, if you just wanted to fry your bacon in whole strips, that's fine, because you can always just crumble it up. But that night I was going to do this video, and the rainstorm came. I cooked it inside, and this is so easy, but my family loved it. And it's different. If you don't like Brussels sprouts, if you was like raised on what I was raised on, the frozen Brussels sprouts, that was just awful. Try fresh, and season them up. They taste a whole lot better. And I want to save as much of that bacon grease as I can. Some will run off, but that's going to really flavor up the Brussels sprouts. So I'll bring you back when the bacon gets ready. I don't want it all the way done, but almost done. Okay, the bacon is ready. It's not all the way done, but it's to the point where I would eat it. And I like mine kind of chewy. But it's going to continue to cook. So I'm going to add a clove of minced garlic. And just let that go for just a few seconds. Now remember, if you make any of my recipes, I'm just showing you how me and my family do it. Make it your own. Add what you like, leave out what you don't. Now I forgot to add, this was a 1 pound bag of Brussels sprouts that I got at Aldi. I'm going to add a little kosher salt and some pepper. And that's all I'm adding. And now I'm just going to cook this until the Brussels sprouts start to get a little bit of color on them. And then I'm going to call it done. So, it may take about 5 minutes out here on the griddle, because there's more room to spread it out than inside just in a little skillet. I may squirt a little water every now and then just to steam it. You can just squirt a little water. And you can even cover it with a full pan if you would like to. But now basically you just cook the Brussels sprouts until your desired doneness. And believe me, it tastes nothing like that frozen broccoli that I had as a child that was just boiled. And you hoped when it was broccoli night that they would only add like Brussels sprouts, excuse me, that they'd put just 2 little Brussels sprouts on your plate because you just didn't like it. Okay, I'll bring you back when this gets ready. Okay, I'm going to give mine 1 little squirt of water. Give it a good toss. Let it go for about 30 seconds, and then I'm calling it done. Let me show you one up close. See? Nice and toasty looking. And we all know it's good because we've had it before. But I'll take you inside and do a taste test. You could easily double this recipe. And remember, make it your own. And I'll meet you inside. Okay, my daughter and I are going to try a bite for you. Which we know it's good. So good. To me, there's nothing better than fresh Brussels sprouts. And the bacon and that little bit of garlic just makes it over the top. You can even add a chopped onion if you want it. I would have, but I didn't have any. So, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment because I love hearing from you. I will have how I cooked it and all in the description below. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.